How to fix a clogged sink like a pro. Subscribe for more videos. Clogged sinks can be a frustrating and messy problem, but they're also relatively easy to fix. With a few basic tools and some know-how, you can unclog your sink like a pro in no time. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Gather your tools. You'll need a plunger, a pair of pliers, a bucket, and a drain snake. Step 2. Clear the area around the sink. Remove any dishes or other items that may be blocking the sink. Step 3. Place the bucket underneath the U-shaped pipe underneath the sink, also known as the P-trap, to catch any water that may spill out. Step 4. Use the pliers to loosen the slip nuts that secure the P-trap in place. Carefully remove the P-trap and empty any debris or clogs into the bucket. Step 5. Use the plunger to try and remove the clog. Place the plunger over the sink strain and press down firmly. Release the pressure and repeat several times. If the clog is not removed, move on to the next step. Step 6. Use the drain snake to break up and remove the clog. Insert the snake into the drain and turn the handle in a clockwise direction to advance the snake into the pipe. Continue turning the handle until you feel resistance, then turn it in the opposite direction to break up the clog. Pull the snake out of the drain and remove any debris. Step 7. Reassemble the P-trap and reattach the slip nuts. Tighten the nuts with the pliers to ensure a secure fit. Step 8. Run hot water through the sink to flush out any remaining debris. If these steps do not work, you may need to call a plumber for a professional help. Avoid pouring grease, oil, or food scraps down the sink. These can solidify and cause clogs. Use a strainer or a stopper to catch food scraps and other debris before they go down the drain. Run hot water through the sink for a few seconds after each use to flush out any debris. Regularly clean the P-trap and other parts of the sink strain assembly to remove any buildup of debris. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily unclog your sink and get back to your normal routine. Remember to always be cautious when working with tools and to use proper safety precautions. Do not forget to subscribe for more videos.